Welcome to my tutorial on how to program basic drum patterns. First we will start with selecting a drum plugin. In this case I choose Battery 4. In this drum plugin we also have to choose a drum kit. Drum kits are like different drum instruments, or better said different drum sets that you can load into a plugin with different sounds. A really common one and really often used for house and electronic music is the 909. We will need some kicks to make our beat from the beginning bouncy and pushing forward. Additionally, as counterpart for the kick, we will also need some snare. Here in this case, I take this snare. Yeah, I think it's okay. You can see that I choose for the snare also a note, which you can read there in the plugin itself, which note I have to hit, and then to click. Since the kick is a really hard sound, we also want a corresponding counterpart, and the snare is not enough. So I would like to layer a clap on top of the snare to give it a little bit more punch. Another rhythmic key element that is represented in nearly every modern production is some kind of hat. In this case, I would like to use a closed hi-hat to give it a little counterpart that is sizzling in the background. To individualize our layered sounds, the snare and the clap, we can also do some velocity adjustments. Velocity is the value that determines how strong a note is hit. To make my drum set sound a little bit more human and give it a non-static vibe, I will apply some offset on the claps. It will also have the effect that the clap and the snare will be separated more from each other, which also gives them a wider sound, which will last longer in the audience's ears.
To make our drum pattern a bit more unique, we will use a bongo loop and put it below the drum loop, and we'll see which magic it will do and what it can help us to glue our whole drum set together.